Well, welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4s. This is called the Brick After Brick. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing segments. Today we are going to be talking about a collaboration with Nigel Sylvester as well as the Jordan brand team. This is on the Air Jordan 4 silhouette. Instead of being called the Brick by Brick, these are called the Brick After Bricks. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this classy color scheme. Then we'll conclude with how well these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who probably saw a lot of craze over the Nigel Sylvester collaboration with Jordan last year for the Brick by Brick, let me bring these out. We've got another Air Jordan 4 silhouette this year, which is a little bit of a different color combination. We're not getting that all over red tone. So I do feel like this is a little bit more palatable for those of you who don't really love the color red, but you'd prefer to have more of an accent on your sneaker. As far as material goes, pretty impressed with the premium materials that they went with on the sneaker. So we've got almost this really cool aged effect to it. So this definitely looks like something that has aged over time with the nice sail creamish hues. We've got some nice tumbled leather, little details of the swoosh mark here embroidered nicely. We've got a really clean tag here with the bike and air embroidered quite nicely on the hang tag. Some simple white laces, though you do get two other lace options. So we've got the red and black pair. It also says brick on the lace tip, so a little bit of a subtle detail there. And then we've got the Flight and Jumpman logo on the top in red and black. Interesting enough, this came with a Velcro strap. Not really quite sure if this was just like a styling type of cue, but this is kind of what was holding the sneakers together. And then you've got the Bike Air box, and it's cool because it's kind of actually textured and gives this marbled effect. All right, so let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side paneling. So the wings are in this nice pop of red, which you're getting on the eyelets as well. The cage unit is in that sail tone. More of this nice tumbled aged leather on the back. I do love this kind of a grainy texture, which is the same texture you see on the hang tag here. It's on the pull tab. And then we've got a beautifully embroidered bike logo on top of that Nike swoosh. And then we've got the same color combination on the lateral side as we do the the medial side. The interior is covered in white, and then we do have Nigel Sylvester's name printed out there in red on top of a black insole. And then we've got this nice tumbled leather. The tongue is actually quite squishy. It's very nice and malleable. But it says Jordan, it's actually upside down, which is interesting. So they sewed this upside down. It says Jordan Biking Co. 2017. Let me just see if it says the same on the tag here. Yep, it's got the same. So let me flip that over so that you can kind of see the tag is sewn in the opposite direction. So nice subtle detail there as well. Then when we move along to the midsole, we've got just a nice kind of ashy charcoal black tone, and then a nice jelly colored red. The air bubble also is red. You can kind of see through it nicely there. Then we've got some eggshell tones, some black, some white, and more of the red and black and cream for the upper of that outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I typically size up in all of my Jordans, so I went with a size 8, typically a size 7.5, and these fit me perfectly. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this. A really cool color combination. Again, I do think that the brick after brick is a little bit easier to style than the brick by brick, just because it's all red. Kind of a similar, I guess, design perspective where he got his ideas and concepts for the shoe, which is representing the evolution of not only reaching your dreams, but actually sustaining your dreams. So I guess kind of kept some similar color schemes with the red hues, but then mixed it up with the cream and white, as well as this like charcoaly black. So for the first look, I decided to kind of match the colorway with the red. So I wore some leather red shorts, and then I wore a nice just black leather jacket. Definitely leather, I feel like will look really good with these. Look, I decided to switch it up, dress up a little bit with a blazer top in cream and red. Cream and red tones are going to match this perfectly, and then I wore some just nice simple light denim jeans. Then for the last and final look, I went back to some shorts since it was getting warmer here in New York. I wore some dark denim, long length shorts with a nice simple black belt. And then I wore this nice just red bomber to, again, just play off of the red accents of the sneaker.
drenched in the beauty. We're here, we're alive in a dream. We're alive in a dream. Life is a song, the melody bright, the rhythm's alive and a place in my mind. The world is a painting, a poet, a muse, and I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you.
These retailed at $230, and the resale is going between $280 to $500. So a little bit of resale on there. Higher or larger sizes are doing a little bit better than smaller sizes, but again, these were a little bit more limited than I think most expected. So congratulations and shout out to each and every one of you who was able to cop a pair of these. Definitely love the transition to this color combination. I think this is a little bit more palatable, and I'll be able to wear these a little bit more than my brick by bricks. But again, congrats to anybody who's able to snag a pair of these. That's it for this episode. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing and styling segment. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.